Types of charts. Excel provides a variety of charts and we can choose from them as per our requirement. Column chart. A column chart is a data visualization where each category is represented by a vertical bar with the height of the vertical bar being proportional to the values being plotted. Column charts are also known as vertical bar charts. Such charts are very useful in case we want to make a comparison. Line chart. Line chart is used if we need to show the trend in data. It displays a series of points that are connected over time. Line charts are more likely used in analysis rather than showing data visually. Pie chart. A pie chart is a circle-shaped chart capable of representing only one series of data. It is a very effective way to display information when we want to represent different parts of the whole or the percentage of the total. A pie chart has various variants that are 3D charts and donut charts. Bar chart. A bar chart is similar to a column chart except it uses horizontal instead of vertical bars. It emphasizes the comparison between items at a fixed period of time. A bar chart can describe the relationship of several variables at once. Area chart. An area chart shows the relative importance of values over time. An area chart and the line chart is the same, but the difference is that in the area chart, the space between the axis and the plotted value is filled with color. XY scatter chart. XY scatter chart is typically used for showing and comparing numeric values like scientific, statistical, and engineering data. XY scatter chart has two value axes, horizontal X value axis and vertical Y value axis. It combines X and Y values into single data points and shows them in irregular intervals or clusters. Creating a chart. Creating a chart is very simple in Excel. Before creating a chart, we need a worksheet containing data. Let us start creating a chart by following the given steps. Step 1. Select the range of cells containing the data, including the column titles and the row labels to be plotted on the chart. Step 2. Click on the Insert tab. Step 3. In the Charts group, select the desired chart category, for example, column or bar chart. Then select the suitable chart subtype, for example, clustered column chart, from the displayed choices. The specified chart for the selected data appears in the worksheet. Changing the chart style. We can also change the appearance of the chart to make it more attractive. To change the style of the chart, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the chart whose style we want to change. Step 2. Click on the Design tab and then click the More drop-down button in the Chart Styles group. A list of various chart styles appears. Step 3. Select the desired chart style from the list. The selected chart style is applied to the chart. Moving charts. A chart can be moved from one sheet to another or can be inserted as separate sheet. To move the chart, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the chart. Step 2. Click on the Design tab and then click the Move Chart button present in the Location group. The Move Chart dialog box appears. Step 3. Click New Sheet option to move the chart on a separate sheet or click Object in option to keep the chart in the already existing sheet. Step 4. Click OK. Summing up. Sorting is the process of arranging the data in ascending, increasing, and descending, decreasing order. Custom sorting is used to sort multiple columns in different order. Conditional formatting sets a cell format according to conditions that we specify. A chart is a graphical representation of data in worksheet. Excel provides a variety of charts: column chart, bar chart, line chart, pie chart, area chart, and XY scatter chart. A chart has the following components: X-axis, Y-axis, axis titles, chart title, data labels, data table, error bars, grid lines, legend, and trend line.